This 2026 Alliance RV Benchmark 44 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Rancho Cordova, California, 95742 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Sacramento. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.